In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll want to do is swipe down and go to the settings wheel in the corner. And you're just going to tap on the magnifying glass and type in IMEI and do a search. It'll take you right to the settings right here. And this is your IMEI. You will need to write down this number. That's the first step. Second, you will need to go to your Google Chrome app. And you're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First is going to be the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. Next, the model. You're going to go right to the G's, so for Galaxy. And then go to S20. There are a lot of Galaxies in here. S20 FE. Tap in Unlock Now. Next, it will ask you a few more questions about where you purchased the phone. So country is going to be United States. Carrier is going to be AT&T. Tap Next. And then here you're going to enter the IMEI from the first step of the video, your full name, the email address you want your instructions sent to, and a contact number. Now, normally it will cost $49 to unlock it, but they always give you a discount, so it'll cost $35. And there's about a 24-hour turnaround time to receive your email from the unlocking company with the final unlock instructions. One important thing to note is that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time. So that's why we show you kind of the initial setup for this, but you need to wait until you actually get that email with the final steps. In some cases, they'll send you a pin. In some cases, they'll send you a few more steps. So anyway, you're gonna go up, tap order, and check out with a credit card or with PayPal. And then once your order is in, you'll get a response within that 24-hour window. Now, one cool thing about this site to note is that they do have a toll-free number to call at the top here, and they have a number to text 24 hours a day. So if you're trying to unlock your phone and you're having an issue, you can connect to someone. And if it's during the day, there is also a live web support where you can also connect to someone via the web to get help as well. If after all that you're not able to unlock your phone, they will give you a full refund, so you're covered there. So once you get that email, what you will need to do is take out your old SIM card and put in the SIM card of the service that you want to use it with. So for example, for this AT&T Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, I will need to pop out the SIM card. So in the box of the phone, make sure you grab your SIM tool and you're just going to pop out the SIM card and then put in the SIM card of the new service you'd like to use. So for example, if you like to use it with T-Mobile, then just pop in your new T-Mobile SIM card, restart your phone, and then follow the final steps in the email you get from the unlocking company. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.